This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in Glen Allen, Virginia. Today we're going to take a look at 5014 Lewisetta Drive. This 55 or better community is a gated community, and as you can see, it is absolutely immaculate. We don't have a lot of gated communities in this area, and one of the benefits, of course, is we have a highly trained tactical security professional at the front gate whose sole mission during his or her shift is to keep undesirable elements out of the community, and that is a big plus. A lot of people consider door-to-door salespeople or during election season, people that come around to solicit, they consider them undesirable. But also family members. You may have a family member that wants to use you as a extended stay option for their 2-year-old. So you could simply here state that, hey, Junior can come and stay, but it can only be for a few days. You wouldn't want the HOA to put me out, would you? And then you then turn that guilt from you saying no to them wanting to preserve your ability to stay in your home. So good little tip there. Your $305 a month approximate HOA fee covers not only that highly trained security professional, but also the exterior maintenance, the grounds, and some other nice amenities here in this beautiful community. Okay, as we come in, we have a nice foyer area on the floor. That's going to be a vinyl plank type material. Directly ahead, of course, is going to be our family room. Here to the right is going to be our secondary bedroom wing. And we're going to take a look here at the front of the home. This is going to be a secondary bedroom. We have that's probably a full-size bed there in place. Enough space in here for some basic furniture. We have a nicely sized closet there in the corner. All right, we're going to make a right here, and this is going to be our hall bath. I love what they did here. We've got a nice cherry colored vanity, cultured marble vanity top, gold fixtures. Gold fixtures are actually coming back. You heard it first here. You don't have to worry about switching those out. You are going to be in good shape with gold fixtures here in the coming months and years. All right, we're going to make a right and go back to the second bedroom. This bedroom is similar in size to the first. I think actually this is a little bit bigger. We've got a queen size bed, I believe, in place here. Good natural light, of course, flows in. We've got a very large window there at that side of the home. And once again, very good closet space here with the double doors. All right, let's venture back to the foyer area and see what else we have. Also notice we've got very large openings here for the doors. So if you ever did have someone here that had mobility challenges, this home would be nice. All on one level and nice wide doorways. We've got a very nice sized primary bath that we'll see here in a moment that definitely would make it easy to navigate. All right, here we are. This is going to be my favorite space in the home. A nice 2-story family room, and you can see how that light just pours into this space. We are nice and open to our kitchen area. So this is a great floor plan for entertaining. Here to the right is going to be our primary bedroom. We're going to actually go there first, and then we'll make our way around to the rest of the home. Okay, as we come in, we have a very nicely sized custom walk-in closet. Look at all of those shelves. You can just simply move in. Everything is already done here in this closet, and it just keeps going and going and going. So plenty of space for your clothes. You could actually get some additional shelving in here if you creatively use the space. Nice wide walkway going into our primary. And as if one closet was not enough, we have a second closet. So this would be a great place if you wanted to use it for maybe sweaters or shirts, things that you could fold and put there on those shelves. Beautiful corner bedroom here. Excuse me, 4 windows, loads of light, of course, flow in. We've got nice tall ceilings in here as well. So this condo is all about volume. All right, this is the doorway that I mentioned We are definitely a wider doorway than normal. Plenty of space here in this primary bath. Got a nice big vanity there, plenty of space there on that vanity top. Oversized mirror as well. And as we go towards the back here, love the tile work that they did. We've got a detachable shower head. Notice the grab bars. We've got grab bars in place, oversized pan there at the shower. And also we have some handles here. If you are 55 plus, sometimes you need a little extra leverage when you get up there, and that's already in place. So you'd be in good shape and get up in a flash. All right, we already took a look at that linen closet. Let's go on through and take a look at the rest of this beautiful home. We're gonna make a right here, go back into the family room area. Directly ahead is going to be our gas log fireplace. Behind the gas log fireplace is a den, and this would make a great office. You can see it's currently configured as an office. The thing I love is we've got plenty of light that's just going to flow in through this large window here in the rear. We've got good privacy in the back of this home. And I'm going to take you here actually so we can see the back and see what we have as far as outdoor space. We're going to go through our slider. We do have patio area, which is really nice. I imagine the lawn care professionals come in here probably tomorrow and going to take care of this. This grass looks really green and lush. They do a good job of maintaining it. You can see there here behind the house. Our exterior, of course, low maintenance vinyl. The HOA, of course, does maintain it. They do a good job here. You can definitely tell. Here on the side of the house, we do have a whole house generator. So if you were to lose electrical power, that generator would kick on automatically and you'd be back in business as if nothing happened. Great plus to have that, especially when we have storms that are unexpected and you just kind of never know. So it's already in place and included with the property. That conveys along with the appliances, which are already in place. All right, let's go on back in and see what else this beautiful home has to offer. Of course, right here, your dinette would be situated. We've got plenty of space here at the bar. There are 2 stools currently in place. You could probably get at least 2 more in and have a seating for 4. We've got a beautiful kitchen, beautifully appointed kitchen. Granite countertops. We have an LVP on the floor. I love this cherry tone on the cabinets. Gas cooking, microwave in place, dishwasher, of course. Refrigerator with ice and water in the door, and a pantry right there. Very well laid out kitchen. Here to my right is going to be a dedicated laundry room. This is nice because not only do we have plenty of space over the appliances, but also we have all this shelving here. So we got plenty of space for additional products. There is an access panel there, and directly across the hall is going to be another closet. And this is of course going to be a coat closet. So if you were to park here in the garage, you could just simply step in, put your coat up there, and keep moving. This is an attached front load garage. We of course saw it from the exterior. There is an opener here in place. We had a little bit of a boo-boo there, driving or backing one of the cars in. That is simply a cosmetic fix. Any handy woman would be able to take care of that little sheetrock repair with no problem. 200 amp electrical. One of the unique things about electrical panel, depending on the locality where you are looking, you can actually look on the sticker that may be here. It may be a sticker from the county. It may be from the builder. 10/8/10, date closed. So we know that this home, of course, was built in 2010. A quick way to sometimes tell if you don't have access to other information. They will also do a date stamp often on the ladder system for a pull-down attic. They stamp those for the date of manufacture. Of course, that's the date of manufacture for the ladder system, not for the actual house itself. Just a little tip there. I love this home. This is a great layout. I've spoken with some of the neighbors, and they say that it's a very popular neighborhood. These homes don't come on the market very often, and when they do, there's usually great demand. If you have questions about this or any other home in the market, my name is Max Williams. It'd be an honor for me to help. I can be reached on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks so much for taking a tour. Y'all be safe. Have a great day.